Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa Laguna. Medyo special, hindi pala medyo, super special yung episode na to kasi it's our first LGBTQIA+ episode para sa Pride Month. This is my dream, to have a channel for us. A channel where we can express ourselves, we can showcase our talents, a safe space for us, what we contribute to better people's lives that resonates through each of our episode. And it's happening now. Joining us today, Jazz and Rico.
Hello.
Welcome to IWAP. Bumati muna kayo sa ating mga viewers. That's your camera.
Hello everyone. I'm Jazz.
I'm Rico. Di ko sure kung sino babatiin ko. Everyone
Ano ang tawag mo sa mga subscribers?
IWAPs.
IWAPs.
Mga
Mga hello to mga IWAPs.
Ka-IWAPs.
Yes.
Ka-IWAPs.
How long have you been in a relationship?
2 years and 8 months.
2 years. Medyo bago pa.
Bago pa.
Bawal pang maghiwalay.
Pwede na rin.
Sa Psalm 55:22, cast your burden on the Lord. He will sustain you. He will never let the righteous be shaken. Kaya ko to favorite kasi pagka meron akong hardship or problems na hindi ko na mahanapan ng solusyon, surrender. Surrender to God. Kasi kung wala na siyang solusyon, wala ka nang mahanap, surrender mo na kay God kasi aalalayan tayo ni Lord. Hindi niya tayo bibiguin. We have our Father in heaven who will save us, who will help us finish our race. At kung mabuti yung puso mo, matuwid ang pamumuhay mo, someday, you will get what you deserve.
Agree.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.